Looking for a luxurious, new construction home in the heart of Wellen Park? Stay tuned to learn more about Avelina, where your home is the true amenity. We're Josh and Liz from That Florida Life, helping you live that Florida lifestyle you've been dreaming about. From fun things to do, travel, and real estate, we're here to help. So if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our Florida videos. Avelina is a new construction community at the very heart of Wellen Park, which is one of the newest master plan developments in Southwest Florida. Just minutes from your home in Avelina, you'll find shopping, dining, events, and entertainment. Plus, you can hop in your car and within about 15 minutes or so, you can be in beautiful downtown Venice, Florida, or at any number of amazing Gulf of Mexico beaches. This part of Florida is known for combining an elevated lifestyle with a relaxed vibe. It's all about the good life here. From amazing boating and fishing to stunning golf courses. And those who enjoy culture and the arts will love being so close to Sarasota, which is a cultural hub in Florida. You'll find many museums, theaters, the opera, ballet, symphonies, and more in the area. Avelina at Wellen Park is a Neal Community, one of the most popular builders in the area. This neighborhood is considered more of a boutique community because there will only be about 96 homes here. Avelina is a luxurious neighborhood with large floor plans and stunning details. The homes here are designed in the British West Indies architectural style, and the community feels very colorful and vibrant. It's very Florida. Construction here is currently underway, and some of the first residents will be moving into Avelina soon. The idea here at Avelina is that your gorgeous, large home is the true amenity. Therefore, there are no community amenities here. No pool, no clubhouse. Avelina is the perfect neighborhood for those who prefer to relax in their home and don't want to pay the additional fees to maintain community spaces that they might not be interested in using themselves. Another perk to living in Avelina is that your HOA dues include things like internet, cable TV, and full lawn care with shrubs, mulch, irrigation, and fertilizer. So you can move right in, kick back, and fully relax in your beautiful home and neighborhood. Avelina offers new construction, large single-family homes ranging from 2,300 to over 2,700 square feet. There are 5 models here to choose from, and all of them include 3-car garages to keep all your toys. If you haven't already, be sure to check out our Avelina model tours on our YouTube channel. These model tours make it feel like you are walking through the home yourself and give you an in-depth look at the different floor plans and quality inside each model. Avelina is actively selling and building new homes currently, but the process for getting a home, the timing, and options can vary. For example, you could pick out a lot and a model and build a custom home here from scratch. Currently, you'd be looking at about a year or so build time. However, Avelina is also offering featured homes, where their designers have created the home for you and construction has already begun. These give you a faster move-in time of about 4 to 12 months, depending on which home you choose and the stage of construction. But again, things can always change. So if you're interested in building a home in Avelina or just want more information about the community in the area, feel free to reach out here to Josh Wilson on our team. As a licensed real estate agent here in Venice, Florida, Josh can help you by leveraging his knowledge and relationships with these communities and their staff. And once the building process begins, he'll be there to represent you, so there's someone keeping your best interests in mind with the builder. For more information, click on the link below in the description to visit our Avelina community page on our website. And don't forget to check out all of our Avelina model tours. You can find them here on our YouTube channel in the Avelina playlist and also on our website. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below or give us a call or shoot us an email. We're happy to help. And don't forget to hit that like button, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.